Hello guys, greetings everyone. So guys, today we are making delicious dishes better than pizza. So guys, if you want to know how I prepare it, watch this video to the end, like, comment and share this video. Please do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more updates. Turn on your notification bell. Anytime I update video, you will be the first to see it. Guys, let's go, let's start. Can see we are not slicing them. So this is carrots. So here's the bowl we want to make use of. We are making use of 4 eggs. We are using 4 eggs, guys. Put your egg inside. Three. And 4. You add in your black pepper. I'm making use of black pepper. This is black pepper. So put in black pepper. Also add a spoon of salt. And we also add, we don't have Reiki Panda. So we don't have it. This is the last one. So after adding it, you mix it. Mix it thoroughly. Mix it. So you add in your milk. This is milk. You add according to the quantity you want to. According to the quantity you want to add it. Mix. So it's time to add in our flour. This is the flour I want to make use of. You add it a little by little. You mix it until you get to that consistency you want. Okay guys, as you can see, we are done mixing it. We will go in with our Irish potato. Pour it inside and mix it together. Mix it gently. Okay guys, we are done mixing it. So we add in our bell pepper. We also add in our chopped carrots. You mix everything together. Okay guys, you add some groundnut oil. You can use any oil you have. So that is okay. You mix it together. This is the pan I want to make it up. And we added this inside this paper. So you can use any pan of your choice. I don't have that pizza pan, that one, I don't have it. So I'm using this. So guys, we will go in with the mixture. Pour it. Put everything inside. So you can see me doing. Spread it around. So guys, we are going to break it for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, we are going to be using tuna. We can use the tuna guys. Let me remove the water inside. So we have to break it. Everything is done. Let's put this aside. Okay guys, here is our pizza as you can see. So we're going to add this, we're going to add our, you spread it after adding it, you spread it around. So we are done spreading it, we also add our formaggio, which is called cheese. So we add, this is the breaded one, we add inside. So guys, we are going to break it as we are going to put it for oven now for 10 minutes. So guys, our delicacy is ready. This is our pizza. So it's very hot. Let's cut inside and see. I think our delicacy. Try it out. So yummy and delicious.